On September 10, 2024, Orlando police officers were conducting proactive patrol near South Orange Blossom Trail. During the patrol, officers observed a man later identified as Gary Fort walking through a parking lot while holding a hand-rolled cigar consistent with narcotics use.
Stop where you at, bro. Orlando police. Stop where you at. Man, stop where you at, bro. Why are you walking away from me? Stop where you at, I told you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Chill out, bro.
I didn't do anything.
Oh.
I didn't do anything.
Hey, I didn't toss that blunt.
I didn't have nothing, man.
I called it out.
You did? We're gonna find it, bro.
I didn't have any blunt.
You have an American marijuana card?
No, I didn't have.
No?
No, I don't.
Bro, you smell.
I'm about to have them.
My man, you smell like straight weed. We literally just saw you, like holding a blunt that you were smoking. You turned around, walked away from us, walked this way, conceal yourself from us, and I believe you dumped it somewhere.
No, I didn't dump it. I was. No,
Yeah, okay. So good. You, like I told you, bro, you smell like straight weed, bro. Any weapons on you or anything crazy on you?
No, I ain't got nothing on me. That's not mine. That's not mine.
Yeah, okay.
I have that on me. I didn't have that on me.
Hey, come on here to the car.
That's not my bag either.
That's not your bag either?
No, that's not my bag. Somebody left it here, and I was taking it back over there.
Oh, yeah? No, that's crazy.
That's not my bag, no.
No, we're right here. We're going to search it real quick.
I ain't got no.
That's not in your bag.
No, that's not my bag at all.
The bag you were holding ain't your bag.
I just picked it up, and I was taking it back over there.
That's crazy.
My homegirl just left it there.
Oh, hold on. Yo, this ain't my hat.
I think, no, I'm saying, that's my home. I think my homegirl left the bag here, so I was taking it back to her. But that's not my bloody.
Cool, so there's drugs in the bag. Great. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
I don't know what's in the bag. It's not mine.
Why'd you try to take away? Why'd you try to take
I didn't even know
what that is? That's destruction of evidence.
That's not
That
my
is
blunt.
destruction of evidence.
That's not my blunt.
You saw us, Orlando police, right?
No, I didn't see
In our
it.
uniforms, and you tossed that on the ground.
No, sir.
That's
I
called
didn't.
destruction of evidence.
Sir, I did not. That's not mine.
No.
I didn't have no blunt or nothing on me.
Yeah.
You got ID?
No, I got my wallet got stolen, so I got to go to what's in the
You have a name?
Do I have a name?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Gary Fort.
Is that your name or is that somebody else's name?
No, that's my name. Gary
Okay.
Fort.
It's like crack.
No, that's not. No. That's just cigarettes, man. That's just cigarettes. I ain't nothing about cigarettes. That's the only thing I had on me, my cigarettes. And I was taking the bag. Then my homegirl just let go bag out. No, I packed my cigarettes.
What's your name, dude?
I packed my cigarettes. My
What's your
name is
name?
Gary Fort. F-O-R-T.
How do you spell it?
G-A-R-Y-F-O-R-T.
What's your date of birth?
1 second. Got no warrants or anything. Nothing like that.
What's your social? What is it?
And you say you don't have an American marijuana card, right?
No, I don't have my American marijuana card. Hey, so what's the next? You got my bag out here. In my bag. I was just taking it out there. I thought him or the homegirl left it out here, so I was taking it home. I just walked up here.
Put your hands up, bro. Spread your feet, bro. Spread your feet. Just like that. There you go. No?
Just standing right here and she walked away with that dude that walked by.
Hey, hold on. Stay how you are.
I didn't have anything.
Come here, bro. Lean against the car. Turn around.
I didn't have
Lean
anything.
against the car.
Oh, okay. I just got off of work.
Good.
There's nothing on my bag. He did walk by. I thought him or her, one of them, that's what I
Gary Ford. You ain't got no middle name, right?
Alright. Hey, Alexander.
What is it?
Hey, Alexander. How you doing, sir?
They almost had to chase you down.
No, I was just walking away because I was getting ready to go back home. I just walked up there.
So
Yeah. I came up here, used the restroom, and was talking to my homegirl. She dropped her bag, and I was taking it to her right when y'all pulled up.
look at me real quick.
Mm-hmm.
That's your clean shave.
Yeah, I got it. And I just came from trying to get my hair cut, but my barber was gone already.
Where you stay at?
I stay on.
What's the address? Talk to him with us.
Foxtrot 52.
29 by number out of Florida.
Go ahead.
Foxtrot 630-281-820071.
10-3.
Is it a paraphernalia or?
Huh?
Is it paraphernalia?
That's not mine. I don't even have that. There's somebody just left that there and I was thinking my own girl. I just took that bag, I put it on my poncho. Only thing I had on me was my paper, still, and my money.
Is it like residue or?
What?
Yeah.
Nah, man. Want to play funny games? Got it.
Copy, thank you.
Zone 1. Patrol downtown.
You have anything on your shoes?
No, I don't even have on no socks. There's no work boots.
That's fine. Let's take it up. Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
You good? Put it in the back of the car.
Yeah.
This is on, bro. Let me see some. Come this way.
Why you put it in the back of the car? What's going on?
Let me see, bro.
Why y'all put it in the back of the car?
Give me a little baggie for his money. You have one? That's okay.
Yeah.
Put him back in the car.
Yeah.
Do we have any baggie for his money?
Yeah.
I want.